Locus of the midpoints of the chord of the circle x square plus y square equal to 25, which is tangent to the hyperbola x squared upon 9 minus y square upon 16 is equal to 1 is. These are the options you have to select from. Now the point is to keep in your mind is that there is one circle given whose center you can understand that it is 0 0 and radius is 5. So roughly I have drawn this diagram. This is your circle. Okay, center is 0 0 and 5 is your radius. Okay, can you see this? Now, and there is hyperbola whose equation is this: x square upon 9 minus y square upon 16 equal to 1. Means here a square is 9, b square is 16, so a square is less than b square, so it's the major axis will lie on the y axis. So I have drawn it like this. Okay, and its vertex is 0 4 and 0 minus 4, like that. Okay, now I have the locus of the midpoints of the chord of the circle. Means you have to collect those chords which is tangent to this hyperbola, and chord is lying in this circle and it is tangent to this hyperbola, and that chord's midpoint, collection of all those midpoints of such chords will follow a certain path that you have to choose from. What will be the path of those midpoints of the chord of the circle x square plus y square equal to 25, which is tangent to this hyperbola x square upon 9 minus y square upon 16 equal to 1. I think I am clear. So let us start solving the question. So I have drawn one tangent for you. Suppose this is a tangent. So its midpoint is somewhere at M, H and K, and this is your center of the circle, and this is one chord which is tangent to this hyperbola whose midpoint is HK. Similarly, so many chords are possible which may be tangent to this hyperbola, and that's midpoint will also be there, and those midpoints will follow certain chord, certain curve that we don't know actually, but we have to find that curve. Okay, this is the question. So let us start. Our equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. So clearly center will be 0 and 0. So here slope of OM, O and M. M is what? Comma. Here right. M is midpoint of AB chord. Okay. So slope of OM will be K minus 0 upon H minus 0, that is K upon H. Therefore, slope of AB chord will be minus H upon K. Why? Because chord and this OM line, since OM is perpendicular to AB, therefore M1 into slope of the two lines which are perpendicular to each other is minus 1, for that reason. Okay. Now we can find the equation of AB which is tangent to the hyperbola. Therefore equation of AB is will be y minus k into slope, that is minus h by k into x minus h. If you will simplify it in terms of y only, so you will get k minus hx upon k plus h square upon k. So we will just make it together in the form of mx plus c. So minus h by kx plus h square k plus k. Okay. So this way we are getting the equation of AB. Now this is tangent to the hyperbola. This equation 1. This line in equation 1 is tangent to the hyperbola whose equation is x square upon 9 minus y square upon 16 equal to 0. Sorry, 1. 1. Okay. So, condition for tangent to the hyperbola. Do you know condition for tangent to hyperbola? That is c square equal to a square into m square minus b square. Now a square is 9, b square is 16, m square means this line from equation 1, m is minus h by k, so minus h by k square, and c square means h square by k plus k. So everything we know, we have to just put the values in this condition. So in place of c, I will write h square by k plus k whole square. In place of a square, I will write 9. In place of m square, I will write minus h by k minus b square means 60. Now solve it, you will get the answer. So this will give you h square plus k square whole square divided by k square is equal to 9 h square upon k square plus, and this will give you minus 60. So you will get h square plus k square whole square equal to k square, go to the right side. So here it will become 9h square, here it will become 16k square. Now to find the locus, we just replace h and k by x and y. Therefore locus will be equivalent to x square plus y square whole square is equal to 9x square minus 16y square. Now check out the options, which is the option x square plus y square whole square minus 9x square. So this you can write like this according to the given option, minus 9x square plus 16y square equal to 0. Bring all the terms to the left side. So this is your option number B. So option B is correct. You can check it from the option. This is your option. Okay. So this is the solution.